In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to clear the RAM on your iPhone in 15 seconds or less. As it can take us more than 15 seconds to set this up, but once you know how to do it, and once it's running on your phone, it'll take 15 seconds or even 0 seconds. The last one I'm going to show you is completely automated. If you get value from this video at any point, please like and subscribe to let me know. It really helps me out on the channel and I really appreciate it, so thanks for doing that. The first one is the manual way. To do the manual way, all you do is push the up volume, down volume, and then hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appear on your phone. So up, down, hold the power or action button, and just keep on holding, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Even though the screen's black, keep on holding it till the iPhone logo appears or the Apple logo. There it is. Now you can let go, and I'm pretty sure that was less than 15 seconds. At least that part of it. Now it's going to come back to the lock screen, and we just sign in again, and the phone's ready to go. This just restarts the phone, and when you restart the phone, it clears the RAM, which is a temporary storage used by apps. And so that's why this method works. It is the most cumbersome of the 3 methods. The other ones are going to be super simple, as you'll see. There we go, there's our lock screen. Then we just log in again. Bob's your uncle, RAM is cleared. The next method, or the last methods, are all using an app, and they get easier and easier for you the further we go in this video. So the app is called Device Monitor. You can just find it in the App Store. Search for Device Monitor. If you're lucky, it auto-completes it up here. If not, tap out Device Monitor all the way. This is it right here. It is a free app. It has a paid version as well, but I just use the free version. And I can open it from here, or I can open it from the home screen, whatever. Scroll down, and we have a RAM section here, which shows how much RAM is being used. We tap on the detailed chart, we tap on clean RAM memory, and Bob's your uncle, 562 megabytes of RAM memory were cleared, but then apps load that up again. It's just a temporary clearing, because apps use RAM all the time, and I've got a bunch of apps running. So this is the app we're going to use to automate this. To automate it, let's go to the Shortcuts app. Mine's right here. I've used it a bunch recently. If you can find it on your home screen, just tap on the home screen, or just start searching for shortcuts in the search bar here and tap it to open it. And now we're going to create a shortcut right here. Let's tap on plus. For actions, let's search for RAM. And that RAM cleaning we just did inside the app, this is it right here, clean RAM memory. Tap on that, and you can have it show you when it runs, or just not have that on. It won't notify you when it runs. You can tap this down arrow to rename it if you want. Let's just shorten this a bit. Clear RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. So this is actually saying clear random access memory, which is kind of funny. Okay, I'll clear RAM as the title, and I'll tap on the share button down here. And I want to add this to the home screen, so I'll tap that. I can choose the icon and colors, but just to keep life simple, I'll keep it as that. Add that to the home screen. Now we have a clear RAM button that you can put wherever you want on your home screen. And you just tap it. We just cleared 421 megabytes of RAM. That's pretty sweet, right? So instead of going into the app and pressing the button, you just press the button right there. And that definitely takes less than 15 seconds. But if you want it to be even faster, as in 0 input from you, this is how you do it. Go back into the Shortcuts app. And this time, instead of creating a shortcut, we're going to tap on Automation down here. And then we'll tap on New Automation. And on this screen, we're choosing when it's going to run. So you can choose a certain time of day. You can choose it when your alarm goes off. You can have it run when you plug your charger in, when the battery level reaches a certain level. Lots of different options. I'll just choose a time of day. And I'll just, doesn't really matter in this case, 6:44 a.m. sounds good. Daily. Run after confirmation. No, we'll run it immediately. Notify when run. No, it's okay. But you can have it notify you if you want. Now that we have the schedule created, we need to add the action. Here's the shortcut we just created, so we could run that. But if you didn't create the shortcut, or you don't want to, just search for RAM. That's the shortcut again. But we have the Device Monitor app here and the Clear RAM option. So now every day at 6:44 daily, it's going to clear our RAM. That's definitely going to be less than 15 seconds of your time to clear the RAM. And this is all done without resetting. Usually you clear the RAM by resetting your phone, but this method makes it so much faster, so much easier, so much more convenient. And if you want more storage on your phone, as in storage for your apps, devices, photos, videos, then this is the video you want to check out next. I'll see you there.